Being from a marginalized background, I wanted to find a learning platform and program where I can be better than my peers and valued. When I got to cpdonline.in, it was exactly the place I was looking for.
I was very nervous that I wouldn't fit, particularly as I had never explored any learning content.
I think my greatest fear was not being able to cope up with the right learning program.
I always wanted to monitor my teachers' learning. cpdonline.in helped to create a team of learners and monitor learning. This gave a great confidence and stability in my team. Today, we are much ahead of our competitor schools.
I think my greatest fear wasn't ready, and I couldn't handle the sort of rigor of the work.
I was worried that a year must not be enough for self-development.
I felt scared, insecure and lost.
Anxious because I had not been in the school for some time.
Is this CPD course aligned with National Education Policy 2019? Is this course aligned with CBSE and NCERT?
But that changed because of amazing research content.
Those fears quickly went away when I realized how much they support.
I was looking for a learning platform for all my teachers where they could learn equally at their own convenience. A platform that covers each and every aspect of school education. Then I found cpdonline.in. Now my teachers have become experts in 21st century learning skills, be it research, STEM, CBSE examinations, sports coaching, or anything. Name it and you get it at cpdonline.in.
I used to teach Taekwondo, but with cpdonline.in, now I can teach any sports to my students, enhancing their skill in a scientific way.
cpdonline.in is not a regular continuous professional development program, but good people are doing great jobs here.
I'm able to find curriculum, proper answer script, circular, marking scheme, etc. and able to get rewarded while I learn.
Now I am developing new skills and gaining competitive edge over my peers.
The beauty of taking the courses is that I have been able to apply that learnings directly to the work I am doing professionally.
I'm walking away with so many tools.
I am able to guide my students over their competitive exams, career, college selections and admission.
The conversation that I've had about diversity while here at cpdonline.in have prepared me to go out wild and not just continue to be the part of those conversations but help lead those conversations.
I finished my 5,000 minutes and feeling like a more thoughtful and reflective teacher.
Get a quick edge over all teachers around the country with 50 plus hours of continuous professional development as expected in National Education Policy 2019 and get better appraisals.
We are not just trained as students, we are trained as professionals. We are not just developing our minds, we are developing our hands and our heart.
There is always an outward-looking desire to give back, and that's why this is one of the most extraordinary learning platform I have ever been.
It's a place where you can really focus on changing the world. It's like a platform nationally that you need to do big things.
CPD Online has sharpened my intellectual skills where honestly I feel ready to tackle anything.
I'm so thankful for my experience here at cpdonline.in.
If you are thinking about it, do it.